Oh.
What's even funnier is the fact that a lot of them are homemade, and I'll still bet there's a couple $100 of them down there.
Oh, it's a couple hundred.
Got dead sticks, jigging. We just missed probably a 3-pack, I think.
Something like that.
They started over here. There's still one on there, but it's pretty far away. Yeah, this is the setup. Heater, minnows, some chairs, pretty basic. Got the GoPro stuff and the ring light for when it gets dark. Got my dead stick out there, and
What are you talking about? I'm making TikToks.
yeah. See you guys when we get some action. I was just getting the GoPro set up, and look what happens.
Pull my deucer, please.
I'm pulling the deucer. Pulling the deucer, guys. I see Woo! Why did it look so much bigger on the live scope?
I don't know, but I'm still excited.
Hey, a fish is a fish.
Yeah.
No matter how small.
Not how big the fish is, it's how it swims in the sea.
Yeah, I'm just
As soon as I threw that dinner bell on, that was
literally
like
you just switched
instantaneous. But yeah, little guy, maybe
10
10, 11 inches. Give her a kiss. Send her
Will
back.
she eat?
No, she will not eat. For the release.
Hey,
And we're good.
down the hole.
Oh, you can see it on the
Vapor
live
trail.
show. But yeah, that's pretty snazzy. So I'm excited.
Possible dead stick action. Hey! Not very. Oh, decent. We'll get him unhooked and measured and check back in. Is that northern or what?
I don't know, but that just smoked it.
Should be frappy too.
It's a walleye.
It's a walleye? How suspended was that?
Like
Really
2 foot under the ice.
That's crazy.
straight under.
I'm still unhooking this one.
That came out at Mach 1,000.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
I just thought, I'm like, it's right above the back. I gotta let him do it.
Alright.
Look at this guy. This guy measured. Oh.
Where we at? Well, we still need 5 overs, don't we?
4.
I'm not chancing it.
What is it?
Like just over 17.
It'll shrink. It'll shrink if you throw it outside.
We don't have anything
When
else
they
to
freeze,
put.
they shrink. Or if you pull them out of water, they shrink.
Yeah, alright, 16 and a half.
Let me see.
Oh, Ty, we should have got a picture.
Too bad.
Before there's any candy in the bag. It's good. Hey, he's polite even up front. You know, like you buy something, you
Something. Oh,
sell
that's
something,
not
you
really
pay
no
up
man.
front, whatever. It's like he's just doing that with compliments. Yep. Yep. It's good on you, Tyler. He's like,
He's off of
goes
it
in
now.
to get a massage later in life. It's like, that was a
JK.
great massage, and then lays down on the table. Here's your tip. That's like, you know.
I think this feller set back up. This is just what I just have my dead stick out here, sitting all by itself. So I got my little bait feeder, Akuma bait feeder. Not sponsored, but could be hopefully in the future. Just kidding. Actually, Akuma, I would totally take a sponsorship, but we don't have to go that far yet. Gonna get this set up. We'll see you guys when we get some more action.
Just a little guy. Ah, that's a good under.
Eat it.
Let's go.
Sir.
Yeah, took a while to finally get one.
Yes. I'll eat actually.
Finally caught myself an eater.
Yes.
There, guys. Oh, you good.
Where are you going?
What's the guess? I'm going 14 and a half on that.
15.
13 3/4.
Say 13 3/4.
Absolutely demolished the dead stick.
Oh my goodness, that was slightly impressive actually.
14 and a half.
What did I say?
Really?
You're gonna eat them and beat them. Catch you guys later. You guys came out here and the dead stick is rolling. Got him. Feels decent. Whoops. Basically, not like that decent. Alright. Don't pull on the line. He'll come up when he wants to. Dang. Come on, just stick your little face up that hole. Oh dang.
Maybe give him a little.
Coming up yet? There he is.
That's an under, but
Good fish. Hold him up. Yes.
pretty high.
Go measure him and let's get going.
Oh. Well, that's 18 and a half.
It is a fat fish.
Yeah.
She'll eat tonight.
Over.
Yeah, sure.
I'll take it as mine over because if we don't catch another one, because
Okay. Alright. See you guys. Oh, there's another one down
Oh,
there.
there's another one down there.
See you guys if we get more action.
Sorry, I had one come up and just smack it.
Might be another under. Can only hope. I see color. Oh yeah, it looks like a good under. Maybe not. Looks fat though. Not yet. There you go, straight up. Might be.
On the thumper spoon, let's go.
Yes. What's he measure? If he's close, we should just chuck him back. We can try and get some, yeah, we'll try and get some bigger overs.
It's an over for 17.
Try and get some bigger overs. Nice fish.
Yeah. Not too bad.
what was it?
It was 17 and a quarter.
Came off at the hole.
You kind of horsed that one up there, big fella. Maybe you could start making.
Oh, what's wrong with it?
Ain't got no fish on it.
My drag
That's why they call it fishing and not catching.
My drag a little tight on that one.
I'm gonna finish getting this baby set up. Get out of the way, Zach. Stockton's on.
It's alright. I mean, feels like didn't eat it. Like pretty good.
Tell us what's happening, Stockton.
Oh, she's about right under the hole. She's doing about everything she can not to come up the
Watch
hole.
your legs, Ty. You got it, I believe in it. What you rocking today?
Oh, that's a good one.
Is that the scissor?
That might be. We might need to keep that one.
That might be the keeper.
You calling that one it?
I think we might, that's probably a,
That's a chubber.
That's like a 20.
that's like a fat 20.
Alright, we got the keeper. So we're gonna keep fishing though. You should probably call Dad and tell him we have the last over.
Do they have their overs?
But, alrighty. See you guys when we get some more action. Yep.
Oh, you should jig for that one too, Ty.
Yep, I got it.
Ty, it's coming. Worry about that, Ty.
Yeah, I'm watching it.
It's. Oh, this is a decent one.
That's a good fish.
Missed him. Gosh darn it.
That's another over. That's another good over.
Can I get a picture with this one?
There's another one coming from behind it too. Yes. Come on, tell me.
We need another doubles picture.
Ty, get down there. That other one's coming.
Yeah, no, I'm on Zach's right now.
How crazy
No.
would a...
Trying.
That was a good fish too.
Here, Ty, can we get a picture?
Over here.
That's another thing with this reel. You can't reel when it's stripping the reel.
Alright, it's on.
Look. Stockton. Ah, you're good.
Good? Hit it.
Stockton's hammer in the walleye.
Oh, a perch!
A perch? Yes! A perch! Yes!
Choked
go.
it, too.
Yes,
I got you.
the perch. Yes.
Pull some drag out.
I was like, why do I hear drag pulling?
Let's go.
Yes.
Boy, he hammered
Good
that one.
perch too. How long is that sucker?
I think you're gonna need a picture with that one.
Oh, we're keeping it, aren't we?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, you got your tape measure?
We're gonna figure out what's happening and then skedaddle.
The size of them.
Oh, he inhaled the minnow.
Don't throw it.
Hmm?
Or you can throw it, I don't care.
I'll just throw it past
Down
you.
the hole.
The bank is open.
I'm a student here at UC, and I met my boyfriend here last year, and he is from Chicago. We're both flight students. He's a big city boy, and I'm wondering how I can introduce him to my extended Midwestern small town family, and how to make that an easy transition for him. We're just trying to get him to understand what it's like to be Midwestern.
Can I raise mine up a little bit, or is that still good?
You're like probably 8 inches off the bottom.
Maybe raise it a little bit.
Yeah, maybe like 4 inches. To the foot out.
Yes, exactly.
You got one looking at it. Oh, we got it.
Ooh, ooh. Oh my goodness.
Video?
Yeah, I'm videoing.
You hammered it.
It's a little walleye. That was the same minnow as the perch. Hey. Get this guy unhooked and send him back. Ouch. Send this guy back down.
Yeah.
Big perch. Big perch.
Dude, I think my lure is too big.
Oh, I have my.
Concerts. The guy who owns the bar said he went to a concert at the Fargo Theater of the Nitty Gritty band. Nitty Gritty, yeah. So, is there a Yellowstone confluence
I'm gonna say I just.
Looks like a perch.
Because it is
Good perch. Yes, another good eater perch.
national historic site?
Yeah, I got one coming up on me too.
Dude, as soon as I let it go, it just came in and smoked it.
Turtle Mountain, Chippewa Heritage Center, Scandinavian Heritage Center.
I think it might be a little small.
That's bigger than.
That's bigger than other one we got.
Well, folks, it was great having you here, bellied up to the bar with us on another episode of the Bellied Up Podcast. This is your friendly reminder, tip your bartender.
There's one coming over there.
Folks, this is high.
Got one?
No!
Drop back down.
I wouldn't set it hard enough.
14 and pretty much 14 and a half.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Quite a bit, and we would like shovel off
What is it?
Act more often. I keep touching my
You got his Vexlar? Being under.
Come on.
What is it? It's a Goldeneye.
Yeah. I've never caught one of these before.
I haven't either.
I didn't know these were a thing.
You'd definitely be winning the multi-species game.
I've caught one. Don't stick your finger in its mouth.
Look at that. It's like a trout almost. That is actually very pretty.
They use them for bait a lot of time. For that catfish. Hey, send them back.
It bit me. Hold
We don't
on.
keep
I
them.
want a picture with that.
Oh.
Just give me a second.
Just want to do some more.
I just want to get one of these.
Okay. Good enough.
You want to do any tight cut bait with that?
Be a nice perch or an
Buck
eater.
says it's a goldeneye again.
It is.
I'm gonna say the head shake.
Holy, hit the.
I don't care. I don't lose fish. They lose me.
Alright.
I'll bite you. You don't bite me. You still got my minnow. No,
Stick your finger in
he's
there.
got somebody else's minnow. Oh no, those are all shiners down there, isn't it?
Oh, just fish down there. We'll get back down. Yeah, yeah.
Oh.
Yes.
Tell me it's a goldeneye. Getting onto a goldeneye bite would be wild. Hey, you need some light?
What is it?
I don't know. A goldeneye. Yep.
That's kind of absurd.
Turn off to the camera.
Unhook the foot.
Shout out to the camera guy.
Just calm down.
Don't get bit.
I know, I told you that.
There we go. Alright. Sender,
For the
done.
release.
That's good.
Golden Eye Bite's kind of crazy.
I know. 3 and 15 minutes is wild. Especially after never having caught one before.
Be a purge.
Crazy how that works.
I be eater walleye. Hey, stop pulling that.
Alright, got it.
I think it's a. Yeah, I got it, but don't pull it.
Oh, he's taking my stuff.
Okay, go ahead, pull it.
Yeah, that looks like my pole is bending, but...
I think it might be an eater.
Oh, yeah, perfect. For show.
For show.
Oh, for show. Perfect, like 15.
Literally 15 on the nuts.
He's a keeper in South Dakota.
Just barely.
It's just barely a keeper in South Dakota.
In South Dakota, we would not.
You still got him?
Yep.
Perch or what? Be a perch. Be a perch.
A little walleye.
She'll eat. Got the other fish over here. Yeah. Keep on fishing. You got the.
No!
Drop back down. Drop back down.
Oh.
I saw somebody. I was watching this YouTube video. This guy hooked into a 30-incher 3
That
times.
sucker had it bent.
That wasn't super big, but
No, but
it's decent.
Quick question on the sisters before we get to a solution.
the problem with
Is your
I feel like these hooks are too small for the minnow heads I'm putting in, because I'm not putting them all the way through the mouth. Or I just need to set the hook harder. But I felt like I set that pretty decent.
What are you using?
I'm using a little dinner bell, so it's not very big. Yeah.
A bit hard.
I think you make it worse before you make it better. You slap all the sisters into an escape room. There you go. So you put them in the room, you're going to lock the door, and little do they know that the key to get out of the room, once they find it, it's just going to be a note that says, you can't, the last final key to get out of the room is you guys have to make up and be okay with each other, and we'll put everything in the past and be happy. Yeah. Yeah, or you break the key into 4 different parts and put a piece of each key inside their pockets without telling them. And you say that the key to your freedom as sisters was with you all along. I like that. A little escape room. That could also put you in jail. I think that's
You have one under.
No, it's definitely not. Not an under.
You said not under?
No, it's not an under. It's an over.
I keep sliding towards the...
It's a decent one, though.
Yeah.
Clean up the hole.
What? What's up? What's that?
Yeah, but might as well measure it.
No! Look at this sack.
What? He choked it?
No, look. Turn my light on. Look what I caught him on. Broke the dinner bell.
Where's the dinner bell at?
It's gone now.
No.
This is all I had left.
He caught him on the swivel.
Turn my light on,
I'm
quick.
sorry, not the swivel, but the...
Look at that, guys. Caught him on that. That's crazy.
That's actually wild, but pretty cool.
Nice little fish.
Something big.
18-ish. Send her back. And he's gone.
There you go.
Guess I'll have to figure out what I'm doing now. Nope, no fish.
Well, you better rerun it.
Yeah. I was like, why? We're leaving.
We're leaving those set.
Yeah, I know.
David, I got a question for you, man. If just robots, the biggest can of worms ever.
Miles knows it too.
Charlie is so paranoid at the moment. I think about any other thing other than how we're all gonna die from
Not paranoid, skeptical.
Skeptical, not cynical.
Thank you so much.
Skeptical, not cynical. David, if the robots are 1,000 times smarter than us and 400 times stronger than us, then why do they need us? I'm just curious.
Well, the ones we work with, yes, they can pick up a car and flip it over and move it around, but you tell it what to do, in theory.
Yeah, but once AI goes to AGI, that's all, whatever the hell that is. I mean, these things are thinking for themselves. So how do we tell them to not flip over our car while we're driving it?
Well, see, I got a switch on the side. I can just turn mine off or not hook it up to the internet, so.
Understood,
The
but
ones that do things on their own, yeah, that's beyond me.
yeah, people. I mean, the military's gonna use it. So the question is, all right. So basically, don't hook it up to the internet.
But they're gonna figure out how to hook it up to the internet.